Hello and welcome. Thank you all for joining us today to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the reinvention of Kestavia. My name is Allison Hubble, and I'm Kestavia's mayor. Joining me today is Abigail Green, Kestavia's lead city planner, and Madeline Fitzgerald, Mirror Program's lead civil engineer.
Today we will discuss how Kestavia has applied different institutions and how you can apply them to your own cities. We will have a brief presentation followed by your previously submitted questions. Also, our fourth teammate, the model, has a scale of 1 inch to 50 feet. Please note that the flags represent public spaces.
Located in coastal Northern California, hills line Kestavia to the north, while the North River reaps throughout. Today, Kestavia is a city of around 105,000 happy and healthy citizens. But as some of you may know, the city wasn't always so pleasant.
In 2022, the North River flooded, devastating Kestavia's riverfront. Over time, the neglected region fell into disrepair, causing severe economic and social crisis.
Action had to be taken in order to restore the sense of community and security in this once beloved city. A team of city planners, officials, and engineers utilized the engineering design process to identify the problem, learn the specifications, brainstorm solutions, and finally come to a solution.
That solution was MIRA, multi-use reclaimed areas. MIRA would establish a network of innovative public spaces to revive Kestavia's social, economic, and physical environments, enhancing quality of life.
MIRA's first step was instituting the program ORCS, Old Railroad Connection System. ORCS addressed Kestavia's disconnection by transforming the abandoned railway that ran along the river.
Experts and engineers collaborated with Kestavian citizens in order to formulate and execute plans. Again, using the engineering design process, MIRA set up headquarters at the old abandoned factory Grayfield.
Civil engineers oversaw the design and construction of the many public walkways that traverse Kestavia, including the footbridges that span the wetlands. Chemical engineers developed a process to purify former factory lands for reuse, and environmental engineers developed a way to maintain water safety since the flood.
And from there, this innovative, connected network of public spaces only grew to encompass Kestavia entirely.
Public spaces address three main concepts: relaxation, recreation, and communication. Studies about green spaces have shown that they have tremendous health benefits, can reduce runoff, filter air, and also mitigate the urban heat island effect. Considering this, greenery is widespread throughout the city.
However, parks aren't Kestavia's only form of public spaces. Public spaces can be found throughout Kestavia in the form of libraries, parks, museums, walkways, parklets, outdoor sporting fields, and other indoor spaces.
Technology is a priority in Kestavia's public spaces. Communication boxes are positioned in some MIRA locations to allow visitors to engage other MIRA visitors through virtual reality activity options. Fitness opportunities are also available in MIRA locations through holographic training and the use of multi-use fields. 3D printing is one thing that has been integrated into public spaces recently. Say you and a friend want to play chess. Bam! You have a chessboard at the touch of one button. Luminescent structures and equipment in outdoor spaces allow for 24/7 use.
Public spaces have the potential to transform a city. However, sometimes the trade-offs, such as high initial costs, may be deterrent. Studies show, however, that the immense benefits of public spaces, such as increasing volunteerism and socialism, and helping the environment, and supporting a city's local economy.
And from there, MIRA and ORCS took off, enveloping the city. The once desolated riverfront was now bustling with life and activity.
As public spaces and quality of life grew, so did Kestavia's infrastructure and city services. Underground magnetic levitation transport utilizes electromagnetic attraction and repulsion to propel and levitate trains at extreme speeds. Public walkways interlace Kestavia's sociable environments, promoting human activity, and electric bike rentals are distributed throughout the city.
Kestavia relies on local wind and solar energy production. Using solar film is applied in ultra-thin hydrogen and carbon layers containing solar cells. This allows any building in the city to become a renewable resource. Conoid vortexes are also used within the city. Conoid vortexes harness the circular motion of wind. This magnifies vibrations, while rings of repelling magnets boost oscillation, creating kinetic energy.
Despite facing struggles, Kestavia utilized the power of public spaces to transform their city and overcome the crisis. Now, in 2062, Kestavia is a city of the people,
for the people.
And now we will take some of your previously submitted questions. How is waste collected in Kestavia?
Using pneumatic air transport is how waste is transferred from residential or commercial zones to the industrial zone to the recycling and composting center. The remaining waste is then sent to the plasma gasification plant to be heated at extreme temperatures until it is dissolved into gases.
Next question is, I've been told citizens have access to a technology called a smart piece. Can you elaborate?
Well, Smart Pieces is a technology worn on your ear. It can communicate with others as well as city services, such as mirror programs or emergency services. They can track your vital signs as well as hold important medical information.
Now, in 2062,
Kestavia is the city of the people, for the people.
Thank you. And we will now take questions from the media, or the judges.